Let's solve NSSB Case Aptitude 2025. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, and follow for more updates. Choose the figure which is different from the rest. Here, 4 circles are placed on the 4 sides of square. 3 circles are placed on the 3 vertices of the triangle. 4 circles are placed on the 4 sides of the rhombus. 5 circles are placed on the 5 sides of the pentagon. We can observe the circles are placed on the sides for square, rhombus, and pentagon. But for triangle, the circles are placed on the vertices. So the pattern for triangle shape is different from the rest. Hence, answer is option B. We can observe star symbol is opposite to each other. But for option B, the star symbol is adjacent to each other. So option B is different from the rest. Hence, the answer is option B. Some hens are cows. All cows are horses. Let us make a diagram from the statements. Conclusion 1. Some horses are hens. This conclusion is true. Conclusion 2. Some hens are horses. This conclusion is also true. Hence, the answer is option D. Some dreams are nights. Some nights are days. Let us make a diagram from the statements. Conclusion 1. All days are either nights or dreams. From the diagram, we can observe that this conclusion is false. Conclusion 2. Some days are nights. This conclusion is true. Hence, the answer is option D. All pens are roads. All roads are houses. Conclusion 1. All houses are pens. This conclusion is false. Conclusion 2. Some houses are pens. This conclusion is true. Hence, the answer is option D. 6 students A, B, C, D, E, and F standing in a line. B is between F and D. E is between A and C. A is not standing beside F and D. C is not standing beside D. F is sitting between. So B is between F and D. E is between A and C. A is not standing beside F and D. Also, C is not standing beside D. Therefore, F is sitting between C and B. Hence, the answer is option C. In a row of boys, A is 15th from left, B is 4th from right. 3 boys between A and B, C is immediate left of A. What is the position of C from right? We have to find position of C from right. So first we will find position of A from right. Position of A from right equals 4 plus 3 plus 1 equals 8th. C is to the immediate left of A. Therefore position of C from right equals 8 plus 1 equals 9th. Hence, the answer is option A. Which figure given in the alternative will complete the pattern in the question figure? Here, we have shades of black and white in a sequential order. So, 4 shades of black and white to continue in sequence, option B, will complete the pattern. Hence, the answer is option B. If all roses are flowers, and some flowers fade quickly, which of the following statements must be true? From the diagram, the most accurate answer is that some roses may fade quickly. Hence, the answer is option B. If AT equals 20, BAT equals 40, then CAT will be equal to. Here we number each alphabet letter. So A corresponds to 1, and T corresponds to 20. AT equals 1 into 20 equals 20. BAT equals 2 into 1 into 20 equals 40. CAT equals 3 into 1 into 20 equals 60. Hence, answer is option C. Which of the following is the code for control badly effect problem? Let's write the statement on one side and the code on the other side. Now, from all the statements, find the word which appears the most. Here the word prices appears 3 times. And the word appears in statement 1, 2, and 4. So, the common code, from the codes corresponding to statement 1, 2, and 4 is POO. Now, let's observe statement 1. Rising, it appears 2 times, in statement 1 and 2. and the common code corresponding to statement 1 and 2 is QI. Next is R. It appears 2 times, in statement 1 and 5. The common code, corresponding to statement 1 and 5 is KU. Main appears 1 time, in statement 1. Here no common code, so let's skip to the next word, problem. Problem, it appears 2 times, in statement 1 and 3. The common code corresponding to statement 1 and 3 is DA. So, now only the word main and code SU remains. So the code for main is SU. Similarly, executing the same process for the remaining statements, we find the codes for each words. So, the code for control is CHI. Badly is MO. Effect is RA. Problem is DA. Hence, answer is option B. Find out the next number in the following series. Here 2 into 2 plus 1 equals 5. 5 into 2 minus 1 equals 9. 9 into 2 plus 1 equals 19. 19 into 2 minus 1 equals 37. So 37 into 2 plus 1 equals 75. Hence, the answer is option B. Here, 12 minus 8 is 4. 18 minus 12 is 6. And 9 minus 6 is 3. 14 minus 9 is 5. Here, surely the next result should be 7. So, 21 minus 14 equals 7. Hence, answer is option B. Or 8 plus 1 equals 9. 12 plus 2 equals 14. 18 plus 3 equals 21. Hence, answer is option B. Which figure will come in the place of question mark in the following figure series? First, check out the line inside the pentagon. We observe, it moves in clockwise direction. Next, the pattern of black dot. When the line moves 1 step to its adjacent in clockwise direction, the black dot moves 4 steps in clockwise direction. Again, when the line moves 1 step, the black dot moves 3 steps. And when the line moves 1 step again, the black dot moves 2 steps. So, again, when the line moves 1 step, the black dot will move 1 step. Hence, answer is option A. Your mother is 4 years younger than your father, who is 6 times older than you. If your age is 6 years, what is your mother's age? Let mother age equals X. Father age equals Y. Your age equals 6 years. Given mother's age equals Y minus 4. Father's age equals 6 into 6 equals 36 years. Therefore, mother's age equals 32 years. Hence, answer is option D. 6 persons A, B, C, D, E, and F are standing in a circle facing the center. B is between D and C, A is between E and C, F is to the right of D. Who is between A and F? B is between D and C. A is between E and C. F is to the right of D. So E is between A and F. Hence, answer is option D. In a town, 60% of the people speak English, 70% speak Spanish, and 10% speak neither English nor Spanish. What percentage of the town speaks both English and Spanish? Let N equals number of people in the town. E equals set of people speaking English. S equals set of people speaking Spanish. X equals set of people speaking both English and Spanish. So set of E equals 0.6n. Set of S equals 0.7n. Number of people who do not speak either language equals 10%. Therefore, number of people who speak at least one language equals 100 minus 10 equals 90%. That is, E union S equals 0.9n. And let number of people who speak both language, E intersection S equals xn. Using the principle of inclusion-exclusion we have. So, number of people who speak both language, X, equals 40%. Hence, answer is option A. Or, given, people speaking English equals 60%. People speaking Spanish equals 70%. Number of people who do not speak either language equals 10%. Number of people who speak at least one language equals 100 minus 10 equals 90%. Therefore, number of people who speak both language equals 60 plus 70 minus 90 equals 40%. Hence, answer is option A. Pointing to a man in a photograph, a woman says, "He is the father of my only daughter-in-law, father-in-law." How is man related to woman? Daughter-in-law's father-in-law equals husband, and husband's father equals father-in-law. Hence, answer is option D. Given that A is the mother of B, C is the son of A, D is the brother of E, E is the daughter of B, the grandmother of D is A is the mother of B, C is the son of A, D is the brother of E, E is the daughter of B. So, grandmother of D is A. Hence, answer is option A. There are deer and peacocks in a zoo. By counting heads they are 80 and the number of legs is 200. How many peacocks are there? Let x equals deers, y equals peacocks. Total heads equals 80. So, x plus y equals 80. Total legs equals 200. Deer have 4 legs, and peacocks have 2 legs. So 4x plus 2y equals 200. Therefore y equals 60. Hence, answer is option D. In a survey, 70% of those surveyed owned a car and 75% of those surveyed owned a TV. If 55% owned both car and a TV, what percent of those surveyed did not own neither a car or a TV? Percent of people who did not own either a car or a TV equals 100 minus 15 plus 55 plus 20. Equals 10%. Hence, answer is option C.